Hi guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, we are back with latest grand bridal blouse designs. Okay, so now we are stitching on the back neck, and this material you never seen before because this is a new material, and we are try to add this blouse design in my add this material in my regular material life. Okay, so now we are stitching on the back neck, and also look at this back neck shape. It's a different, it's not a U shape, it's a little bit a pot neck with some different shape. Okay, so now we are using 7 number wooden needle. It's not for beginner. If you beginner, you don't need to use this needle. Okay, and because you have no idea how to put this needle in your hand, so I think you will break this needle. So I have one more suggestion for you. If you are a beginner, you need to use iron needle, same hook with the same quality. Okay, also remember, I'll show you next step. So now we are start to stitching some zardozi load. It's a very unique work. It's not a silk zardozi, it's a different zardozi in this material called in my side like kora, thick kora. Okay, it's very unique, and also come in lots of color like pink, green, and many more color with this kora type. Okay, and first we are stitching a normal gold spring inside the load, then we are start to stitching with the kora. Okay, it's a very unique load, and also we are divided this load with the two color, one gold and also one pink color. I'll show you in the next step. First you are filling this whole needle with the kora, then you are start to stitching as it is. Okay, if you face any type of difficulties to learn this work, so please join my classes. We are also taking classes on Google Meet every day, like morning 10 to 11. Okay, week 6 days. Every session was a 1 hour, and we will give you the best tips and tricks related to Aariwork. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some other color kora. It's a pink color. Okay, and in this blouse designs we are using one self color and also one gold. It's not a regular gold, it's something different, but it's very beautiful. When this blouse design was a full completed, I'll show you. You see this full blouse designs look, it's very beautiful. And last week we are decided to make that blouse design sample. We are making and shooting this all entire blouse designs working. Okay, then my family members seen these blouse designs. We are taking lots of order these blouse designs because this is a very unique and also full blouse stitching, nothing to sticking, full entire blouse designs we are making with stitching. And also, you know guys, stitching is a very grand look and also very expensive. Okay, so I'll show you in the next step. Look at this. Now we are start to stitching regular zardozi around these flowers. Look at this flower. We are divide this flower with the 4x4, like 4 load we are stitching with the pink color kora, and 4 we are stitching with the light gold. And also look at this. Wait a second guys. And now we are using 7 number wooden needle. Okay, and also correct your marking. If your marking was not correct, so I think you will not making any type of blouse designs. Marking also matter, because just an example, we are making one flower. If your flower marking was not correct, so I think you will not do good work. So you face lots of difficulties to do this work. So first you are correct your marking. And we have one more suggestion for you. If you learn this work, please join my classes. And if you not afford my classes fees, so you just watch my entire YouTube videos collection. You just learn easily. If you face any difficulties, please do WhatsApp on the same number. My team always working for you, no cost. Okay, free of cost. You don't need to pay any type of amount for help. Okay, always my team will ready. You just do WhatsApp on the same number and tell me, Bhaiya, I am not understanding this work, please guide me. My team will give you best reply and also give your help, do your help. Okay, so now we are stitching pink color load leaf, and now we are on the back. In this blouse designs we are stitching some different type. Look at this. We are divided this flower with the two color, like one leaf light gold and one pink, one dark light gold, one pink. Look at this. And also we are using in this blouse designs like kardana and a little tiki and French knots. French knots we are stitching and these blouse designs in the last in this video, because the French knot is a very different and unique work, also very beautiful. Okay, so look at this, we are stitching on the back neck and look at this back look. Okay, now we are using a 7 number wooden needle with tiki and also kardana. Kardana was a part of mirror, and it's also coming in the maximum 2 and 3 size. We are using medium kardana. It's very sharp. If you stitching this kardana, you need to learn this work. You're not stitching because without any type of knowledge. It's a very different and also very difficult work. Okay, and also look at this all flower. We are also stitching all around the flower outline with the gold kasab, and now we are stitching kardana. With the top of the kardana you can see we are stitching one tiki. Tiki is a very unique work. Tiki not running in this time. We are using some example as example, because we have lots of challenge coming to every week. Okay, we are also making latest and unique blouse designs for every week, so that's why we will try this tiki in this blouse design as a sample. Okay, but is this sample was a set, and lots of family members was very happy with these designs and also give some orders. And now we are start to stitching tiki with the sugar beads and also one zardozi. Look at this, it's a very difficult and also very beautiful. First we are pin one sugar beads and one zardozi and also one tiki. First we are stitching straight, then we are stitching cross, same as it is. And if you seen this downside zardozi, we are stitching one zardozi, and we are also stitching top of this zardozi two zardozi. It's a very beautiful and also very unique work. You never seen before like that type of work. I know guys, we are stitching I think in that type of work we are stitching in one blouse design. It's called a red color full French knot work, multicolor. Yeah, very beautiful blouse design. When these are blouse designs completed, it's looking very beautiful. And now we are start to stitching some booties on the sleeves, and also using some three sugar beads, and also top of these sugar beads we are using tiki. And look at this tiki. Tiki is a very unique part of the blouse design, and also it's not for regular use, it's just a sample. And this blouse design was setted, so I think we are using tiki in a regular material, like we are also using some sugar beads and many more material, so regular basis. Okay, so look at this, and also look at this full tikis. We are stitching these booties, not a full gap. We are stitching this booty thick size of boxes. Look at this. And also we are stitching same as it is on the back neck, and stitching on the other sleeves. Okay, so now I'll show you the next step. Okay, so now we are stitching on the back neck, and same as it is we are also stitching on the sleeves. And when you also remember one more thing guys, when you are stitching zardozi, you need to use a 7 number wooden needle. If you are new, you use iron needle. Both are same, and also hook are same. Okay, look at this. First we are stitching straight, and then we are stitching with the cross by cross, and we are stitching on the peacock, because in this blouse designs have a 2 peacock on the only sleeves, on the back. And look at this, we are stitching on the peacock. Okay. And also stitching on the peacock stomach, and like we are stitching peacock stomach with the gold spring. And we are also stitching with the gold spring, because gold spring is a very unique work and also taking too much time. And also look at this downside of the flower, it's very beautiful. And if you've seen these flowers have some free space on the middle side of the flower, we are also stitching in this free space with some French knots. Okay, and look at these French knots, it's a very unique, and also this type of work trending on that time. It's a very popular and also very beautiful work. And in this needle we are taking 16 thread in one needle, and then we are stitching same as it is. It's a very difficult, and that type of work you need to learn a maximum 3 to 4 months. And these blouse designs we are stitching lots of type blouse work design like Zardozi load, French knots, a thick load, Cardana, tiki, and many more type of work. Okay, then you are stitching that type of work. Okay, it's taking too much time, and this is a second day, not a same day. You seen lots of my video, we are making this full blouse designs under 10 minutes, but this is not a real. Some designs complete with the 2-3 days. So this is a final blouse designs. Look at this back flowers, and also look at this back peacock. Very beautiful and very latest blouse designs you never seen before in other channel. Very beautiful. If you want to order this blouse design, you just tell me. We have all color available. You just tell me which color you want. We are make and send it to you maximum under 1 week. And also we are customizing your size. You just tell me which color you want. Okay, we are making same as it is. We are not do any cheating like I'll show you some other work and I'll give you some other work. This is not, we are not doing that type of work. We are making 100% good quality work, because my quality is my identity. So please tell me guys how's my design, and also if I'll do any mistake of my explanation, please forgive me guys, because I'm a little, like your little brother. I'm a new in English, but I'll try my best. Thank you so much for joining, and if you want to order this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Bye.